A cyclist who fractured his skull after hitting a pothole has been awarded nearly £70,000 at the High Court. Alan Curtis took Hertfordshire County Council to court after he went over the handlebars of his bike while swerving to avoid a pothole. The accident left him with hearing and memory problems. Richard Slee has the story.
They spent most of Sunday working on the arm. There's 2 plates in there.
Alan Curtis is still suffering the effects of his accident 4.5 years after it happened. He also has hearing and memory loss, but says if he wasn't wearing his helmet, it could have been much worse.
Must have landed on the left side of my head, and the helmet took the impact there, completely cracked. In fact, there's a whole lump missing from that. But it did its job.
Alan was in training for a charity bike ride when he hit a pothole here on the drive in Rickmansworth. The road surface was repaired a long time ago, but the basis of Alan's claim is that the council failed in its legal obligation to look after the road properly. And at the High Court this afternoon, a judge agreed. In awarding Alan £69,000 in damages, Judge David Pittaway said that the pothole was a Category 1 defect that should have been repaired, and that there was a breach of duty when the road was inspected by council officials just a few months earlier.
I have suffered permanent injuries, and they are a little bit life-changing, and I do think that someone had to be held to account for that. And I think it's appropriate that the council have been found negligent.
Alan's solicitor says this judgment is good news for London cyclists.
This is a case that will make the authorities have to sit up and take notice of the obligations they have under the Highways Act 1980.
In a statement, Hertfordshire County Council said simply that it was disappointed with the judgment. No doubt it'll soon be helping to spend some of the £200 million for pothole repair that was announced in today's budget. Richard Slee, BBC London News.